Learn the best way to use an avocado. I'll start by cutting this avocado in half. You'll be amazed by the result of this recipe. I'll teach you all the secrets. Take notes. I've prepared some valuable tips for you. I'll put all this avocado into a blender after scooping it out. I'll save the peel for the final step of this recipe. You'll see how beautiful and delicious it turns out. This has become one of my favorite recipes. Since the first time I tried it, I just can't stop making it. It uses only a few ingredients and is one of the quickest dessert preparations ever. I'll add 2 cups of condensed milk. I'll also add 1 cup of heavy cream. You'll love the combination of ingredients I'm using. Now I'll squeeze this lime. I'll also add 25 grams of unflavored gelatin. I love preparing unique recipes like this. My family loves it too. The flavor is amazing. I'll let everything blend in the blender until I see all the ingredients are well mixed. It's time for the next step. Here's this mold. I'll add a bit of olive oil to it before pouring in the mixture I just made. But first, I'll use this paper to spread the olive oil evenly. I bet you're finding this super easy to make too. Now I'll pour everything in here. Have you ever made a recipe with avocado? If you know any special secrets, let me know. I'd love to hear about them. It's coming together beautifully. Look how nice it's looking. I'll also put some into the peel I saved. You won't even need a plate to enjoy this dessert. You can use the peel itself. I made this yesterday for my friends, and they loved it so much that they asked me to teach you how to make it. The best part of this recipe is that you can prepare it quickly and with just a few ingredients. That's why it's become a staple in my house. And I'm sure it'll become one in yours too. I'll finish smoothing it out with a spatula. Now I'll put it in the fridge for about 2 hours to set. Once the time is up, it's ready. Look at this amazing texture. Now it's time to enjoy it. I'm confident this recipe will become a classic in your house. It's impossible to make it just once. It's a simple recipe, but the secret lies in the combination of ingredients I used. If you get the quantities just right, I'm sure it'll turn out perfect, just like mine.